Hello students, we continued our discussion on major domains of the earth. In previous video we already discussed the lithosphere and the continents. Today we discuss hydrosphere. You all know that hydrosphere means water related, and almost 71% of the earth's surface is called the hydrosphere. This includes ocean, sea, river, ice sheet, underground water and water vapor. As most of the southern hemisphere is covered by ocean, southern hemisphere is covered by ocean and sea. That's why it is also called water hemisphere. Southern hemisphere is also called water hemisphere. Why? Because most of the ocean and seas are found in this hemisphere. Now, main source of fresh water on earth is rain. Rain is a huge source of water, fresh water. Important ocean in the world. You all know that Pacific Ocean, Antarctic, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. First, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and extends over 1/3 of the globe. Pacific Ocean is circular in shape, with North and South America laying on one side and Asia and Australia laying the other side. And the Mariana Trench, which is 11,022 meters below the main sea level and is deepest point of the earth, lies under this ocean. It has coastline of 1,35,663 km. The average depth of the Pacific Ocean is about 4,030 meters. Second one is Atlantic Ocean. The shape of the Atlantic Ocean is just like S, surrounded by the two Americas on the western side and Europe and Africa on the eastern side. With the length of 1,11,866 km, the coastline of Antarctic Ocean is very long and irregular, providing ideal location for natural ports and harvest. Busiest ocean and the Milwaukee Deep in the Puerto Rico Trench is the deepest point in Atlantic Ocean. The Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world and only ocean to be named after a country. The ocean triangular in shape. Indian Ocean is located at the head of this ocean, with Africa lying to the west and Australia to the east, and Java Trench is the deepest point of the ocean. Now Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. It is located with the Arctic Circle and surrounded the North Pole. Coastline is 45,389 km, deepest depth with the depth of 4,465 meters. The Fram Basin is the deepest point of the ocean. Now last, Antarctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean, Atlantic and Indian Ocean merge at a place and are collectively known as Antarctic Ocean. This ocean is also known as the Southern Ocean, surrounded the landmass of the Antarctica And other water bodies just like Arabian Sea, North Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air and essential part of our life. This is like a blanket to protect earth from extreme temperature and provide air for breath. The constituents of the atmosphere. You all know that 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% belongs to carbon dioxide, argon, krypton, xenon and other gases. While nitrogen is essential to plant and oxygen is essential for life, living things. Ozone, another gas found in a small quantity and extremely important. It protects the earth from the harmful ultraviolet ray and layer of atmosphere. Atmosphere is divided into 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. All human activity and weather related phenomena takes place in troposphere. Now atmosphere, air has weight and is exert pressure on the surface, that is called atmospheric pressure. And the pressure, when temperature is high, the atmospheric pressure is low. When the temperature is low, the atmospheric pressure is high. And it is different in atmospheric pressure over different area, which make air move. Moving air is called wind, and wind always blow from high pressure to low pressure area. This cause changes in weather condition. Okay. Biosphere means life. All form of life exist and make earth unique planet. All organisms exist and grow in the biosphere, which provide a suitable habitat for all. Also, biosphere, plant and animal both are in living organism, biotic and abiotic. The surrounding within all the organisms survive is called its environment. 3 domain, that is land, air and water. And we continue to balance between the nature with human activity and environment. Human activity like deforestation. Due to deforestation, lack of rainfall promote desert and rises in the carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide in our atmosphere rises, that occur global warming. So we should continue this type of work to maintain the balance between nature and man. Okay. In next video we discuss about objective type question. Okay. Thank you very much.